This week on Dirt Diggler. Alright. Found this in the woods. Possibly an old aspirin bottle from the 20s. Cleaned it up. Positive. 281 NW6. That means. And then this tip of it, the logged area, was sticking out of the ground, and I dug it out. It's looking like a sparkling Pepsi bottle, franchise Tillamook, Oregon. A little research, I think it's from, they stopped making these in the 40s, early 50s. So it's a good sign that the house, I found some other stuff. I'll have to dig it out. My old house site is there. It's gotta be. All I have to do is find the foundation. Oh, pretty cool. Alright, get back to it. Beautiful down here. Big park. It's like 2 city blocks. That ball field up there. Oh, digging a lot of trash. No coins yet. Good time fun. It's not raining. Woohoo! Alright, there's a signal here. Let's see what it is. Beer cap. Old beer cap. Cool. Alright, on to the next. Alright. Good solid signal. I think we got a coin. Yeah. Looks like a penny. Yep. Clad. Alright, back to it. I broke my pen pointer. We have false signals. Oh, almost time to retire that thing. Alright, back to it. Alright, got a good signal here. Oh, I'm hoping a quarter or a dime, maybe. Huh? Yeah. Oh, look at it. I see it. See it right there. Good dime. Rosie. I don't know what year it is. It's not silver, but it's a dime. Woohoo! Alright. Pretty stoked. Pull tab. A hefty pull tab, that's old. Can't even bend it. Woohoo! Alright, back to it. Alright. Baseball field. Got a coin. Ooh. Penny. Not a wheat. Wow, it is copper though. Looks like 1966. Pretty good.
Alright. Shining up nicely. Alright, back to it.
Signal.
Ooh. What's that? It's like a nickel, but clean it up and see. Probably titanium. Alright, back to it. Come on. Crusty old zinc. Alright, battery's dying. Last hole. Barely even there. Nickel. Another nickel. What's that? 1995? 75? Woo, alright, I'll take it. Good day. I said good day. Right. Did better out in the ball field by the trees. Trees look old though. I'll find my silver here. I can feel it. Alright, so we'll do a wrap up later. Get some coins. Pretty cool. Another beautiful day. I don't know, I'm probably gonna go out again later. We'll see. Alright. Thanks everybody. Bye. Got a 1966 penny. Oldest coin. A couple nickels, that's pretty good. I go back and hit that ball field and I only did a couple rounds on it. Still have more than half of it to do. There's that saw knife I found. Garbage. Buddy at the store got me a $2 bill. 1976. Yeah. Pretty cool. Had a good day. There'll be more. Thanks everybody for watching.